10 Healthy ways lemons can help you lose weight naturally. Find out 10 scientifically backed ways lemons can help you lose weight naturally, like by boosting your metabolism, getting rid of toxins, and controlling your appetite. Plus, you can make simple dietary changes like drinking lemon water and using essential oils. Lemons are rich in nutrients and compounds that help you lose weight in various ways. High levels of pectin fiber in lemons help you feel full, while antioxidants boost your metabolism and help break down fat deposits. The acidity of lemons supports the absorption of nutrients from food. Eating lemons regularly throughout your diet and lifestyle will help you maximize their slimming benefits. 1. What is a lemon? It originated in South Asia, mainly in Northeast India and Southeast Asia. It spread through trade routes to the Mediterranean and other places. Its scientific name is citrus lemon. Lemons taste sour and tangy due to high citric acid. Lemon has a round, yellowish body with rough skin and a length of 2 to 7 centimeters. The blisters of this type of lemon are juicy and full of acidic pulp. Antimicrobial properties help with digestion, immunity, weight loss, hydration, and skin health. If you're looking to shed some pounds, here are 10 ways lemon can help you out. 2. Restores digestion. Scientific studies have shown that the citric acid in lemons helps kickstart your digestive enzymes and stomach juices. This helps break down and absorb the nutrients from your morning meal. Adding lemon water to a healthy, whole food breakfast is a great way to stay on track with your diet. Plus, lemon water is one of the easiest ways to lose weight for most people. Just squeeze a lemon wedge into your morning H2O and you're good to go. Even if you're on a budget, you can easily incorporate this refreshing, metabolism-boosting drink into your daily routine to naturally optimize your body. 3. Helps nutrient absorption. The acidity of lemons helps your body absorb and process nutrients in a way that helps you stay healthy and lose weight. When you drink lemon juice with food, the citric acid in the juice helps break down protein, fat, and carbs into smaller pieces in your digestive system. This makes it easier for your body to get all the vitamins, minerals, and micronutrients it needs. The acidity in lemons has been shown in clinical trials to improve the absorption of nutrients such as calcium, magnesium, and iron, as well as beta-carotene. The more effective absorption of these nutrients, which are filling and help boost metabolism, reduces hunger and cravings. Over time, eating lemons with meals also helps to prevent weight gain by reducing appetite and improving digestion. Lemon's flavorful acidity adds zest to foods, making them more satisfying to eat. 4. Keeps you full. Lemons are packed with a soluble fiber called pectin. Each medium lemon, 30 grams, contains about 1.5 grams of pectin. Pectin absorbs liquid in your stomach and turns into a thick gel-like material that helps you feel full. Several clinical studies have shown that eating foods rich in pectin can increase satiety and decrease appetite. The reason for this is that the bulky fiber matrix inside the stomach sends hormonal messages to the brain that your stomach is full, preventing you from eating more. The longer it takes to empty the fiber-rich mass of your stomach, the more satiated you become. Lemon pectin helps control your appetite, which can help you stay on track with your weight. When you're full for longer after eating, it stops you from snacking too much between meals. This can help you eat less over the day and for weeks at a time, which can prevent you from eating too many calories that could lead to weight gain. Plus, the fiber helps you be more regular, so you don't get constipation and bloating, which can make it harder to maintain your weight. Taking in the delicious pectin from lemons daily can help keep your cravings in check and your portion sizes in check. 5. Helps nutrients integration. The acidity of lemons helps boost the absorption of nutrients, which helps with weight management in different ways. Protein digestion. Lemon's acidity helps in the conversion of protein chains to amino acids, which improves the absorption of muscle-building components and prevents fat accumulation. Fat metabolism. Lemon juice optimizes fat-soluble vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K absorption, which supports fat-burning pathways throughout the body. Starch digestive enzymes work better when the pH is high, so you don't have to worry about gas or bloating from carbs that haven't been digested properly. This means more energy is used for metabolic activities instead of storing fat. Citric acid helps your cells take in minerals like calcium and magnesium, as well as iron and zinc. This makes it easier for your bones, enzymes, and hormones to work properly, which helps regulate your metabolism. The absorption of water-soluble vitamin C and plant-derived polyphenols from lemon pulp has been found to provide antioxidant benefits to the body, thereby decreasing oxidative stress that could otherwise impede metabolism. Furthermore, the fuller nutrient utilization of each meal or snack due to the consumption of lemon helps to maximize calorie extraction while minimizing the storage of unnecessary calories over time, thus contributing to the attainment of healthy weight goals. 6. Improves organic process and fat shrinking. The absorption of water-soluble vitamin C and plant-derived polyphenols from lemon pulp has been found to provide antioxidant benefits to the body, thereby decreasing oxidative stress that could otherwise impede metabolism. Furthermore, the fuller nutrient utilization of each meal or snack due to the consumption of lemon helps to maximize calorie extraction while minimizing the storage of unnecessary calories over time, thus contributing to the attainment of healthy weight goals. In addition to limonoids, lemons also contain large amounts of flavonoids, such as hesperidins, narinine, and ergotin. A number of animal and cellular studies have shown that flavonoids and limonoids stimulate adipocyte metabolism by stimulating the expression of mitochondria that are involved in the beta-oxidation of fats. Phytonutrients also inhibit the synthesis of fatty acids at the genetic level. Eating lemon juice or lemon essential oil every day has been shown to lead to higher resting energy expenditure and more fat oxidation compared to people who didn't consume it after 8 weeks. Plus, the acids and antioxidants seem to slightly boost thyroid function, which can help boost calorie and lipid metabolism in the long run when you incorporate it into your diet and lifestyle. All of these things work together to help you manage your weight and keep your muscle mass when you swap out some of your daily calories for the nutrient-dense goodness of lemon. 7. Stops too much eating. When you're dehydrated, it's easy to think you're hungry, but drinking water actually helps reduce your appetite and your daily calorie intake. Adding lemon to your water helps keep it hydrated and full of nutrients. Lemon water helps curb cravings by making you feel full. Studies have shown that adding lemon to water before meals can drastically reduce your calorie intake compared to just drinking water. Keeping your stomach full by drinking lemon water tells your brain that you're full, so you don't have to snack as much between meals. Over time, if you stay hydrated, you won't have as many calories stored in your body because your body won't be able to tell the difference between thirst and hunger. Drinking lemon water can help stop cravings and eating too much because it takes a while for your body to start feeling hungry again after you've rehydrated. Even if you're only slightly dehydrated, 1 to 2% of your body weight, it's enough to make you want to eat more energy-rich, processed foods. Making lemon water a regular, enjoyable part of your diet supports your body's hunger and satisfaction levels so you can stay on track with your weight. Wearing a water bottle with lemon slices helps you stay hydrated while you're out and about, so you don't give in to those fake hunger pangs. 8. Smooths fat breakdown. Lemons are naturally acidic, but when they're mixed with enzymes and fluids, they make bicarbonates which neutralize acid buildup and create a slightly alkaline environment. Low-grade acidosis, on the other hand, is when acidic waste like uric acid builds up in the body and can build up into dangerous visceral fat if it's not removed. The alkalizing effect of lemons helps flush acid compounds out of the body through urine and keep them from accumulating as fat stores. Alkaline conditions also help break down and mobilize fat tissue. Studies have shown that citrus alkalizes lipase, an enzyme that breaks down fatty acids without triglycerides. When lipase is alkaline, it works better to lipolysis fat cells and release fatty acids into your bloodstream instead of storing them. Eating lots of lemons on a regular basis helps keep your body's pH balanced so your metabolism can run its course while also avoiding acidity that can cause illness. Plus, in the long run, it helps keep your body looking and feeling toned by making fat deposits less likely to build up and stick around. 9. Assist liver function. The liver is a vital part of the body's metabolism, breaking down fat and carbs. It helps break down extra nutrients and toxins that would otherwise build up in your body as fat. Lemons help keep your liver healthy by providing nutrients and antioxidants. Vitamin C helps your liver get rid of pollutants from the environment and drug waste. Flavonoids help protect your liver cells from damage caused by oxidation and help make collagen in this important organ. Plus, limonene helps flush out fat deposits in your liver. In clinical studies, liver tissue regeneration is supported by the presence of components of the lemon family, such as naringenin, which helps to maintain the liver's fat and glucose processing capabilities over time. A well-functioning liver is better able to break down and eliminate stored triglycerides in adipocytes, allowing fatty acids from stored sources to be used as fuel and preventing further accumulation. It also controls glucose and insulin signals to maintain stable levels of energy, which helps to reduce appetite between meals. Consumption of lemon helps protect liver health by protecting its detoxifying properties. This helps prevent belly fat from building up and helps with overall weight management. 10. Gives chilling flavors. Sugary drinks like sodas, juices, and sugary coffees may taste good for a while, but they can really hurt your health and weight loss. Just 1 or 2 of these high-calorie drinks a day can really mess with your calorie and carbohydrate intake goals. But don't let your taste buds get the better of you. You don't have to sacrifice your health for flavor. All you need is a dash of bright lemon juice in your water or tea. Its acidity and smell will give you a jolt of energy without the kilojoules. If you want to stay in shape, it's a good idea to switch to lemon-flavored hydration. When you're feeling thirsty or craving something sweet, this naturally flavored drink can help curb your cravings and give you a full feeling in less than 10 calories. Over time, making lemon water your new go-to drink will help you gradually get rid of all that extra body fat by making healthy liquid choices. It's also good for your oral health and gives you a delicious way to meet your daily hydration needs so you can stay healthy and look your best. Just add a bit of citrus and you're good to go. Finally, the acidic nature of lemons stimulates digestive enzymes and stomach juices to break down and absorb nutrients from the food. This optimal digestion helps maintain weight over a period of time. The high fiber content of lemons makes you feel full, which helps to control cravings and prevent hunger pangs between meals. Lemons contain a variety of antioxidants that promote metabolism and fat burning due to their thermogenic effects. Additionally, regular consumption of lemons helps to alkalize the body, thereby eliminating acid waste that would otherwise build up as fat deposits. Helping your liver function improves fat and glucose processing skills to reduce storage and increase the utilization of stored triglycerides for energy. When you're thirsty, it's easy to think you're hungry. But when you're hydrated, you don't feel thirsty. That means you're not